Hello, beautiful beings. Welcome back to my channel. How to manifest what you want now. How to manifest anything you want. Everything you want. What is the guideline? What is the structure to follow? What are the steps to manifesting anything I want? If you want to go about it your way, try it out your way. You can follow it yourself. I don't want this video to be too long, but I do want you guys to stay until the end, okay? It helps the algorithm. You guys know that I have gotten coaching from Agnes for years, and she knows that I disappear once in a while. I get like coaching and then I disappear for like 6 months because I like to take what is given to me, work with it, and figure out if I need to add something to it specifically to my needs, right? Because you guys know that not everyone is the same, and there is that trauma aspect, right? So we're gonna go right into this. Number one, what do you want? What do you want to manifest? What is your end scene? Don't limit yourself on it. What do you want? Write it down. Write down what do you want. Declare your intention about what it is that you want. Number two, focus on what you want. What you just wrote down that you wanted, you're going to start focusing on that. How are you going to focus on that? You're going to start your techniques. Whatever techniques work for you. I have mentioned before that a great way to know what techniques to choose is to choose a technique that follows the way that you learn. Because it's easier for your mind and your subconscious mind to accept that, because that is how you basically learn. So if you're a visual person or a kinetic person like myself, part of my daily routine involves writing down my affirmations. Because as I write them down, I am also seeing them, and it's like a double whammy for me. Pick the techniques that work for you. I would say these techniques should always, always, always include self-love, right? Because we now understand that we cannot manifest and keep what we want without having a solid foundation. And that solid foundation, if we're trying to work on manifesting anything love related, the solid foundation has to be love. And we cannot manifest what we want, we manifest what we are. So self-love and self-concept is always part of your manifesting routine, right? So self-love, self-concept, let's say that will be 2A, and then the techniques for whatever you want to manifest, like you're living in the end scenes with your specific person or whatever that case may be, that could be 2B. So it's an A and B to number 2. Okay? So that is focusing. That is how you focus on what you want. Number 3, deal with any beliefs or negativity that come up within you. Repeat that again. Deal with any beliefs or negativity that come up within you. That is also called resistance or getting triggered. as you start this journey, your body and mind will fight you. More so if you're overcoming trauma that is related to what you're trying to manifest. Resistance will come up. So as you are doing your techniques of self-love and living in the end, as you continue to do that, you have to work with your triggers as they come up. How do you do that? You can use Ho'oponopono. I have tons of videos on my channel about it. Or you can do EFT tapping. I also have a few videos about it on my channel. And I also have a playlist of EFT tapping videos by Brad Yates. He is the gentleman that I did the EFT videos from when I was manifesting my specific person back the second time. I love him. As a side note, as a little clause, if you go to any of his latest videos, he has a link where he is offering a week of free EFT tapping to overcome a few things. I would suggest that you join for it and you do them, because EFT tapping is very powerful in removing that stagnant energy related to the trauma and all that negativity in your body. So it releases all of it from your body. Okay? Little clause is closed. Okay. If you don't find an EFT tapping video that feels like it works on what you're feeling specifically, you can just release the energy this way. Let's say you're not feeling prioritized right now, and you're full of all of that negative energy and it's coming up and you can't deal with it. You just go through the tapping points and you say, even though I don't feel prioritized right now, I choose to deeply and completely love and honor myself. And you go through the rest of the point. Even though I feel like I am not being prioritized right now, I choose to deeply and completely, right, love, honor, and accept myself. And you keep going through the points until you feel better. Release it and then continue your self-love and your manifesting routine. Okay? You're not even going to stop the manifesting routine. You're not going to stop the self-love routine. As you do that, when you get triggered, tap it out. Tap it out or use Ho'oponopono and you keep going. And you move forward. And as you continue doing that, you keep doing your affirmations, you keep doing your techniques. Ooh, you got triggered today? Tap it out. Tap it out and keep going. Affirmations, manifestation, this. Triggered again? Tap it out. Tap it out. And be consistent. Persist. And you will get that damn manifestation. Because that is how this works. What happens is that a lot of people, even myself included before, when we get triggered, when we start to feel like shit, we think we're doing something wrong. But you're not. Actually, if anything, feeling upset or getting triggered should actually be taken as a sign that this is working. Should actually be taken as a sign that your affirmations are starting to take root. Okay? So if you need to write on a little sheet of paper and put it in front of your bed or whatever. Persist when you're feeling like shit. Just a little reminder for you to keep going, and don't pay attention to you feeling really badly. You will get to your end result. Let me know if you want me to make a video or a little training on how to do a vision board. We're moving into 2023 and I want to do a vision board myself. I've actually never done one, so I'm very excited. Maybe we could do it all together. Leave me any ideas in the comments below. I hope this video helped you. As always, I am here to help you out. If you need additional support or additional guidance, which is valid, it doesn't mean that you can't do it by yourself. It just needs that you need that extra support or that person that holds the belief that you can do it. Because a lot of times it's just having that person tell you that you can do it and giving you that guiding hand. My information is in the description box below. I love you guys, and until next time, bye.